Stop recording me.
This is Ryan, and this is Ryan.
That's
My
Vincent.
name is Ron.
That's Vincent.
My name
and
is Ron.
This is Ron. That's Brett. And somewhere around there is Rob. All right.
Rob is right there.
All right. We'll go.
You gotta get these connected. Over here, bud.
Oh.
You gotta connect those wires.
You're supposed to attach on this.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Where?
Right there.
This thing?
Yes. Isn't that what I was talking about? Alright. Our rocket's name is the Sunset.
Oh, this thing, though.
Oh. Oh, shoot. Alright.
Hey, you
Got
try
it?
it.
Oh.
Mr. Debbie,
Our engine fell out. We're having problems, aren't we?
technical difficulties.
Note to self. Do not launch this rocket when a teacher's there.
Okay.
You're sad. Hey, Rob! Wave high! Yeah! That's it, man! On it! Alright, that's embarrassing.
I know.
Alright.
How about you doing it?
Brett! No, wait. Who's going?
Didn't get to see it last time, so Brett launched it.
Yeah, bro.
Brett!
Up.
Brett, you want me to record?
Separate!
Hold.
Alright.
Turn around!
You ready for this thing? Alright, you see up there? There's one rocket up there on the tree, and another one up there. So, that's a problem.
Stop there.
But I wonder...
Hey, this mic, hit it.
But we wonder how we're gonna get those two rockets down. Yeah, how are we gonna get it?
Countdown.
Ready? Let's count down.
10!
Not yet! You won't have to do that.
Hold on. Is it lighting?
Here we go. Is it lit?
Right.
Brett, no.
Whoa, don't put that down. Vince? Is it lit? Is it lit?
Yeah, now it is.
Alright. When we get to 0, you put that down. Vincent, don't put your back to that rocket.
Alright, now watch the rocket.
8!
7!
Oh, Vincent!
Vincent, what'd you do, man?
You launched it too early.
Oh, that was early. Vince, why'd you do that?
There it is.
I don't see it.
There it is.
Turn it down.
Why'd you do that? Don't land! Don't land! Ron, why do you have to take it so early?
That was big.
Did you get it? He got 3 for 3! He caught a rocket! Oh, but it fell out.
What fella? Rob, how's the rocket? You hold it down for 10 seconds.
Yeah, Rob.
It's still okay!
Yeah. Rob, what? What do you say to this world? Nothing. Yeah.
It looks exactly the same. It looks exactly.
Vince, how'd you even do that?
You hold it down for 10 seconds and then it goes. You guys left the engine.
No. Vince, you hold down the pin. Then you press go. See, there's a second rocket up there on the tree. And probably the first one. Oh wait, but it's took down, so that's gonna be a problem. Alright, so this is my last day at Model Rocket Club, so I won't have any more fun anymore, which is sad.
I thought you hold it down for 10 seconds.
Vince, I'm guessing you're in trouble, I don't know. Well, at least it counted to 3 seconds.
It was your 7, huh?
It landed perfectly!
You never caught it again.
Alright.
Visit every.
Still the same?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Dude, what are you doing?
Say hi to the world.
Hello. We got it back. 2 test flights for the team. the sunset jet.
Yeah.
Yeah!
And it only lost a piece of a wing.
Which is sad.
Can we do that again?
Very cool.
So, yeah.
Very cool. Yes.
Yes.
I like it.
This is our awesome teacher, Mr. Devery.
No.
How hard
Even
do you think
that's
that went?
crazy.
Yes.
This one.
We did that.
This thing, did I tell you that the only thing you would see is this?
Yeah.
Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, can we watch it
This one I
again?
went about 15
No, we lost
feet
the
in the
engine.
air. That's why we didn't want to
See?
shoot it.
There's no engine.
Ah.
The engine's gone. Wow, maybe next go around if we have a time we'll shoot it again.
Maybe.
I luck at a third attempt. Alright.
This time I'm gonna launch it.
Alright.
Sunset.
Behold, Yankees on the sunset jet.
From the meanie.
Alright. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Ryan Chan, day 3 on Model Rocket Club. Goodbye.